Aoi, blue. Watanabe-san no kuruma wa aoi desu. Mr. Watanabe's car is blue. Aimasu. To meet. Watashi wa ashita shachou ni aimasu. I will meet the company president tomorrow. Aka. Red. Aka wa watashi no ichiban suki na iro desu. Red is my most favorite color. Agarimasu. To go up. Raishu kara terebi no nedan ga agarimasu. The price of television will go up from next week. Akarui. Bright. Watashi wa akarui iro ga suki desu. I like bright colors. Aki. Autumn. Aki ni ha ga akaku narimasu. Leaves turn red in autumn. Akimasu. To be opened. Kaze de doa ga akimashita. The door got opened due to the wind. Akemasu. To open. Atsui kara mado o akemashita. As it is hot, I opened the window. Agemasu. To give. Ane ni kono tokei o agemasu. I will give this watch to my elder sister. Asa. Morning. Maikeru-san wa asa tenisu o shimasu. Mr. Michael plays tennis in the morning. Asagohan. Breakfast. Watashi wa itsumo 8 ji ni asagohan o tabemasu. I always have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Asatte. The day after tomorrow. Asatte wa nani yobi desu ka? What day is it? The day after tomorrow? Ashi. Leg or foot. Watashi no ashi ga itai. My leg hurts. Ashita. Tomorrow. Ashita wa getsuyobi desu. Tomorrow is Monday. Asoko. Over there. Toire wa asoko desu. The toilet is over there. Asobimasu. To play. Kodomo wa soto de asonde imasu. The children are playing outside. Atatakai. Warm. Kono heya wa atatakai desu. This room is warm. Atama. Head. Imoto wa atama ga ii desu. My younger sister is intelligent. Atarashi. New. Kore wa watashi no atarashi jitensha desu. This is my new bicycle. Achira. Over there. Deguchi wa achira desu. The exit is over there. Atsui. Hot. Kyou wa atsui desu. Today is hot. Atsui. Thick. Kono jishou wa atsui desu. This dictionary is thick. Ato de. After or later. Shukudai no ato de bangohan o tabemasu. I will have dinner after the homework. Ani. Elder brother. Ani wa sakka ga jouzu desu. My elder brother is good at football. Ane. Elder sister. Ane wa eigo no sensei desu. My elder sister is a teacher of English.